back at it. Gonna check this out. Those fights yesterday, UFC and Brand Risk, were both pretty crazy. The main card for Brand Risk, Austin McBroomface temper. It was a bad one, bro. Bad KO. If you haven't seen that, check that out. Maybe I'll react to it. I don't know. But yeah, bro, Robocop and Hernandez was also a good fight. Just kept kicking his leg. But we're going to check this out, bro. Shout out to Roy Roche for the upload. Actual crash. Bell 222 N222EX helicopter crash while arriving for cars and copters event 1 of 17. These are always scary, bro. Anything you don't have control of too much. Like you're just a passenger watching, especially in the air. Horrifying feeling, bro. So stay safe out there. Try to avoid things like this. Yeah, appreciate it if you could hit that like and sub. Means a lot, bro. Just been grinding, but let's check it out. This was supposed to be a cool event, and I guess things went horrible. Hope everyone's good, but depends on how high up and everything. Chances are very low. It's coming in like sideways. Is this in Cali? Last thing these people can expect, I bet. Usually lose control. Oh, there it is. What even causes that? Like some kind of...
Oh my God.
Some sort of mechanical failure or something?
Oh my God.
He landed in the trees upright, no fire. Could have lived. For sure could have lived out. Holy fuck. Tell me that didn't blow up. Horrifying, dude. Let me know if you would fly in a copter. Why is he carrying that kid like that up the stairs? What the hell? Look at this. Manhandling that motherfucker. Why is he carrying that kid like that? Sirens, this dude's running. Bro, that was scary. This would be horrifying to see, to be involved in. Wonder if the pilot lived. Wonder if he'll ever fly again, bro. Holy fuck. Like perfectly launched into there. They caught it. How is there no smoke or anything? Leaks like pierced through that. That's like the pit. He's moving in there, bro. He's lucky that thing was a couple feet back.
Stay right there!
Look at that tree. I'm not sure what he's gonna do with that little ass fire extinguisher, but that was insane, bro. I gotta see that one more time. Just that whole thing. Like, you can hear the panic instantly once he started losing control. The force of the propellers, bro. That's crazy. But look, something blows. So I had to have been some sort of failure. This dude turned the camera. You gotta keep the angle on it, my boy. Bro, that is absurd. Have you ever seen something like this? Not me. That is crazy. Some people live crashes from planes and like, yeah, I don't even know, bro. That's all I love. Let me know more shit to watch. I hope you have a good week coming up. Appreciate y'all.